Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Midnight Melody because the quest today is more in nature, and it'll probably help us unlock Steve's farm, like a few more quests with Steve, and maybe even Steve's race. So we're just talking to Barney, so time to grind or high quality bird food. So we're gonna do high quality bird food because this is part of Steve's quest. Here are the seeds. Now take them back to Steve and the birds. Okay. We're just going to do the second quest too. Here you are. If you take this to mill over at the mill, you can grind it into flour. By the way, I hear that Mr. Campbell has started drilling for oil over at the Everwine fields. Too bad. Poor nature. Okay. So, let's just go over to we're just actually going to quickly go to Mill because to Will at the mill because he's not on our way at all, but if we just cut through here we'll get there easily. I'm so upset and I'm really sorry guys, but I missed the rainbow race. I am so upset because it actually happened a while ago in April and right now we're June, so but it's just that I thought you had to be a star rider, but you didn't, so I didn't check. Oh, so I was so upset about that, and I'm really sorry, guys, about that. But I hope it's coming back soon. Hi, what can I do for you? Oh, you want to use the mill? Sure. Okay. Try the windmill race. Well, we're just gonna try the windmill race. Hello, Emma. You know what? I feel you love to compete with Midnight Melody. Am I right? I knew it. A long time ago, there used to be a racetrack around the windmill here. The track is still there, even if it's hard to see. Do you think you can beat the old master riders on this track? You think you can? You certainly are confident. That's a good thing. But this is a tough track, so don't take a victory for granted. Get ready, and I will time you. Good luck! Okay, so that means we have another race that we can use to unlock now. So that's good. I mean to level up our few horses. So down here, down the hill. Okay, jump, jump. Oh good, take her. Okay, let's go. Sorry girl, but I am just as confused about where to go as you are, so sorry if we get a bit lost. Up here, and here, up here. Take curve, and jump down here. Oh, I'm sorry, girl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Midnight Melody. Okay, then around this thing. What are these things? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh gosh. I am very sorry about that, girl. Oh god. Actually jump over these. Okay, there we go. And cut through over here, I believe. Yeah. And jump over this. And now run through these poles. Sorry about this. Jump up onto that. Jump up. Okay, so that was harder than I thought it would be. Here we go. Okay. At least it'll be super easy to beat our high score next time. I just said bait. I meant beat. Great riding, Emma. It's certainly a joy to watch a master ride like you. If you want to try again, just let me know. See you. Oh, we can ride it today again. Here's some fine flour. Take it back to that store. Oh, and we get a cute t-shirt. Okay, so now let's go over to Steve. He's actually over here. Right? Am I right? Yeah. There's his barn. Okay. So we're quickly going to go into Silverglade Village and bring the fine flower to to Harold, I believe. Is it Harold? Oh, I wasn't even right. Oh, we can make a riding club grandmaster. So we can make a riding club in every city, I guess. You have my flour? Perfect. This will be some fine pizza cupcakes. Okay. Well, I guess tomorrow we will be coming back to look at these pizza cupcakes. There's actually a race called Around Silverglade Village, and I really want to try that because if it's like in Silverglade Village, that'd be really fun. Wonderful. My birds can finally eat their heart's content. Okay. Yes, we unlocked Steve's race. Check out the really nice riding trail I've put together. And it gives you a lot of XP, 250. It's pretty, like, a lot. Let's go. Let's go, Midnight Melody. For the Silverglade Village, when we go there, I should have actually taken... Ooh, sorry about that, girl. Should have taken Royal Beauty. But she's more of, like, city horse. There are the next flags. Okay. These arrows, the yellow ones, used to be green, so it was super hard to tell. So you were always like, where should I go next? Because sometimes those arrows tell you that you should follow the path, but the shortcuts, like are away from the arrows. If you know what I mean, like you have to sometimes disobey the arrows if you want to use like shortcuts. Up here, down here. Well, she's a bit upset. Well, don't worry, we'll feed you today. Or do your chores. And take her around here. And a wall. That was close. And here. Go. We won't make you jump unless we have to. Here we go, girl. Let's do this race. Well done. Oh, that was actually a lot of XP. Okay. Would it be too much to ask if you feed the birds as well? Just put the seeds on the bird tables and they will flock around you. I think some birds have disappeared from the Everwind field since GED started drilling for oil. Before oil there. Poor birds. Okay. Are those the bird houses? Yes. Good. Oh, we actually got the t-shirt. Let's quickly check that out. The t-shirt I'm wearing that I got from the code even fits with her hat, kind of. That's cute. That's really cute. Like a tank top. Okay, there's supposed to be one here. There is one. I just wondered what these things were. I thought they were like lights or something, or like lamps. Street lamps. And there's supposed to be two more over here. Aha! Oh. That girl was there when we came too. Oh, she's just chilling. Okay, one more. But here, did I just like completely miss it or something? It's supposed to be right here. Do you see it, girl? Is it behind? Is it behind the barn? Jump! Okay, that was a bit late. Come on, girl. Minute. Midnight. Okay, Midnight, are we even on the floor? No, of course we're not. Okay. Well, kind of gotten ourselves into a situation. There we go. So we're not jumping that anymore. There's supposed to be one right there. There it is. You guys are probably like, oh my god, it was right there. How did you not see that? Okay. Let's go back over here. Look how happy they are. I must say that you make an excellent bird feeder. Well, thank you. Oh, there's a quest right behind us? Ah, the guy who sells ponies. Or horses. Tove Larson. Hi there, I'm Tove Larson. Maybe you already recognize me, but I still got to get to know you. I'm sure we'll get around to that soon enough. You seem to be pretty interested in horses. Nice. As you know, I'm something of a horse expert. I'll be able to help you with all kinds of tips about horses and horse care. But first, I think we should take a look at what kind of level you're riding at. Ride Steve's race so I can assess your riding skill. Got a pretty good view from here of what you're gonna show me out on the racetrack. Good luck, and don't hold back. Show me what you can do. If you give a good display, I'll give you a really nice reward. But I already went to Steve's. Okay. 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 Every time there's this one haystack, which is really bothering me. Okay, over here, jump that. And we are actually gonna jump this wall. Sorry, girl. Sorry about that, girl. I'm very sorry, Midnight Melody. Please don't be that upset. Over here. Yeah, tell me, what is your favorite race? You should really send me like a email on Star Stable. I love that. We might do like a pony post thing where I just read all your guys' messages and like, mails. But I will read out. I will mostly read out the ones that say like what's your favorite breed and stuff, because I'd love to answer those. But the ones that say like, oh my god, I love your YouTube channel, I'll still read them, but I might not say it on the pony post, but I will read them. Wait a minute, is that a Yorvik pony over there? Oh my god, it is! Looks so cute with the mane like tied up like that. It's cute. Okay. How would you say that went? I'm not entirely sure I'm all that impressed with that particular performance, if I'm honest. Okay, well, we will be leaving at that, and we will be back next time with Midnight Melody and Tove Larson, and I'll see you guys there. Bye!